Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home. I'm clearly not keeping well. My voice is gonna sound nasal and groggy throughout this video, so excuse me for that. I think it's the side effect of traveling. In the last week, I have been here and there, like went to Delhi, then Karjat. I had a lot of events. That's the side effect. But today's video is going to be on gifting ideas because this is something I struggle with every time. It's my father's birthday, my sister's, or like your boyfriend or your girlfriend's birthday. You are always like wondering what to gift, and I am one of those, don't worry. So I thought, why not make a video on this and help my Mau fam members so that they can gift really nice items to their loved ones. So without further ado, let's get started. I just want to make one thing clear, is that if you are thinking it's going to be like affordable gifting option video, then that's not the case, because I have products say ranging from 4,000 to up to 13-14,000. So yeah, it's definitely not very budget friendly, but if you guys want me to make that kind of a video, let me know in the comments down below. Let's get started with the first gifting idea, or like a product, which is going to be Daniel Wellington products. Now, if you have been on this channel, you know my love for their products, and you have seen me wearing these bracelets in every damn video ever since they have come in my life. You have seen me wearing this watch, which is the rose gold watch, and it has this black dial, and you have been seeing me wear this in every video. Just tap on any video, okay, and you will see these products in my hands. And not just for videos, I wear this outside as well. I feel watch is something which you need to invest in, like this. That is like your signature style, I would say. And there is no expiry date on a watch. I have watches which I have been wearing from past say 7-10 years, and they are still going strong, because the max that happens is unka battery run out ho jata hai and you just have to change the battery. So always save up and buy a good quality watch. This is a new watch by Daniel Wellington, which I'll talk about in a bit, but you have seen me wearing this bracelet and this bracelet in all of my videos, and they are still good as new. There is no scratch mark, or there is no rust going on, and I have worn these in all sorts of weather conditions. That is the reason why I like Daniel Wellington, is because the products are worth every penny. So let's get started with the new product. Okay, so this is the new watch that I have for you guys. It's a very petite watch. I'm gonna show you the previous watch that I have. So uska dial is way bigger than this one, the new one. This is an old watch, but it still looks good as new, and this is a new watch. This is the rose gold iconic link watch, and the size that I have is 28 mm. They also have the same collection for men. Let's talk about a bracelet, which is another variant in this only. So you can see that this has white and rose gold pattern going on, but the new bracelet that I have with me has pink and rose gold detailing going on, and it looks bomb. Oh my god, like I am obsessed with their new collection. Now the bracelet is called Emily bracelet in dusty rose. Now I'm wearing the size small. They also have a bigger size called medium, so you can choose your size accordingly. They also have a very nice size chart going on their website. Their Black Friday sale is coming up, and they are having 50% off on select watches, so you have to grab new watches for your loved ones or for yourself. And I also have a coupon code which is flashing on screen right now called DWX Manasi, which will give you 15% off on any of the products. So I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. Then let's talk about what I'm wearing in my neck. Oh my god, this is like a very very elegant petite necklace with this ring in between as a pendant, and uske saath matching I have my ring. So this is how the ring and the pendant looks like. They're very similar. This is like a statement ring, and I am obsessed with it. I think I have this from past 1 month, and I wear it in the shower as well, and uska color abhi tak same hi hai. There is no difference in the color whatsoever. That's why I don't mind spending on these products, because I know that they are gonna last me forever. I know I'm saying this again and again, but when you spend so much money on certain product, I want you guys to understand the quality, and I want you guys to know that your money is not gonna go to waste. So this is how the ring looks like. This is the close-up. There are so many patterns going on this band ring, and उसपे लिखा हुआ है Daniel Wellington, and it has like this rose gold finish as well, which I think would suit all Indian skins as well. Now if you don't want to buy a chunky ring like this, which is like very big, like the band is big, they also have a lot of options which are like very small petite rings, and the best part is that they also have rings for men. So you can buy matching rings with your brother or your father or your boyfriend. It's gonna be so cute, like when you get matching rings. The products are very well crafted so that you can match your accessories. जैसे मैंने match किया हुआ है, the ring and the necklace go with each other. This necklace, let's talk about this one now. So this has a very petite chain, which I like. I don't like chunky chains because they look very heavy. You know what I mean? And you guys know me. I love necklaces, rings. Clearly, you can see so many rings in my hand. Bracelets, watches. It just makes you look so put together. So if you are someone who's looking for a good gifting option for yourself or for your sister or for your brother or your mom or your boyfriend or your girlfriend, Daniel Wellington is one site you need to go to. Alright, let's talk about this item right here, which is a gua sha. Now I spoke about this in my recent video, I think, and a lot of you guys were intrigued and were asking me, Mansi, how to use a gua sha? We are intrigued, we want to buy, is it worth the money? So this is how the packaging looks like. This is from the brand called as the Rolling Concept, and this is how the gua sha looks like. And the best thing is that उन्होंने लिखा हुआ है how to use it on the packaging itself, so you don't have to worry about that if you are a beginner. I do this every 2 days at night, especially at night, and I have seen a major difference. So all you have to do is use this on your face when you have like a thick layer of moisturizer or a face oil. Now I am strictly prohibited from using oils on my face because my skin gets clogged like this. So my dermat has told me to not use any heavy facial oils, but if you are someone who loves using facial oils, then you can use it with that as well. But otherwise you can use like a very thick layer of moisturizer. I use the Clinique Moisture Surge. I use a very thick layer on my face and start massaging this. There are different motions, so you can use however you want. First I like to take this side and I can just massage my jawline like this. You can also use this curvy side for your double chin, okay, especially. Then you can also use this flat side or this one on your forehead over here. Then I like to use this over here, like under my eyes, and it works on my cheekbones like this. So you can use however you like to, just don't be very heavy with it or very harsh with it, otherwise you're gonna end up having a lot of pimples on your face. Trust me on that, मेरे साथ हो चुका है. Of course it's not gonna reduce your double chin drastically, but of course you can see some difference for sure. So you can give this to yourself or your mother or your papa, anything of that sort, because I think this is gonna work wonders on our mothers, because they don't do much to their skin. Moral of the story, I think this is a great option to gift your parents, especially your mother. She's definitely gonna love it, trust me on that. Alright, let's move on to the third gifting option, which is going to be a perfume. Now I know perfume बोलने के बाद you don't know where to go, what to buy. So I have a video which is called affordable perfume options. So if you are someone who wants to buy like an affordable version of it, definitely check this video out. It will help you for sure. But in today's video, I'm going to show you a high-end or a luxe perfume, which is like a must-have. This is the Carolina Herrera Good Girl perfume. Now I have the tester to show you guys over here, which I think costed me around 2000 on Nykaa. I also have the bigger bottle, which looks amazing and very sexy, okay, sitting on your vanity. So if you give this to your girlfriends, they're gonna love it, or your sister, they're gonna love it, trust me on that. But अगर आपको commit नहीं करना है बड़े bottle से, so definitely check the tester out. It's like a roll-on tester, and it smells beautiful. It's definitely like a nighttime or a party kind of a perfume. This is not like for college. If you want like a fresh floral fruity scent, that's not what it is, okay. It's a very manly scent, and I love those kind of scents. If you wear this and walk into a room, people are definitely gonna notice it, trust me on that. It's that kind of a perfume. So I'm making it very easy for you girls. Carolina Herrera Good Girl perfume is your best friend. Alright, let's talk about the fourth gifting option, which is going to be like a makeup junkie option. Because if you have a friend who's very much into makeup, then you can look at this option, which is going to be these two products. Now, base products is something I think everybody wears, so this is like a safe option to gift your friends or to yourself. So these are the Charlotte Tilbury products, one of the most expensive brands that I own, but worth every penny. And you guys know me that I would not try to make you buy something which doesn't have any value, or which is something which is not gonna work for you. These two products are something I cannot live without anymore. In fact, I'm gonna use this product on my sister's face as well. Like, I'm gonna do her makeup, bridal makeup. The Charlotte Tilbury Light Wonder. I'm in the shade 4 Fair. They have I think 10 or 11 shades only in this, so you have to find your shade. But this product, I cannot live without this. It's definitely expensive, but I know that once I get over with this, I'm definitely gonna repurchase another one. It's a very beautiful light coverage everyday kind of a foundation, but you can also layer this up and make it like a medium coverage foundation. अगर आपको everyday के लिए कुछ चाहिए, so this is what you need. And it looks like a small bottle for the price, but that's not the case. It also has like this tube kind of a packaging, so you can squeeze how much ever you want, and you don't need a lot of product. The more you wear it, the more beautiful it gets. You know what I mean? Like, I have noticed that after a few hours my skin looks gorgeous when I'm wearing this. It's like a very hydrating, does not cling on to your dry patch kind of a foundation. Even oily skin girls can go for this. But of course, if you are someone who wants like a full-on coverage foundation, but I don't think people wear that in daily life. You know what I mean? On camera, full coverage foundation अच्छा दिखता है, but in real life, nobody wears like a full coverage foundation on a daily basis. If you want to gift somebody a good makeup brand who's like a makeup junkie, this is something you have to look at. But make sure that you buy the right shade. Go to their store, like Nykaa store, and then test it out, and then only get your shade. Let's move on to this product. You can gift these two in a bundle, or you can gift these two separately as well. So this is in the shade 1 Fair or Pale. This has a little bit of coverage, not a lot. It's like a pressed compact powder. Look at the packaging first of all. How luxe is this? I think after K by Katrina ka loose powder, which I used to use, this is something I am gonna have in my purse every day. So that powder and this powder are very similar, but this one lasts on my skin way more and does not give me a white cast. The K-Beauty powder gives me a white cast, which I noticed very recently when I went for my friend's birthday party, and it was at night, so they were clicking pictures with a flash, and I was like, why does my face look so white than my or pale than my skin? Because I don't use a foundation which is light. I always use foundations which are either darker or like exact my skin tone. But when I started wearing this powder, I realized that that is not the case. That means the K-Beauty powder was giving me a flashback. So yeah, I have shifted to this one because when I'm gonna have my sister's wedding, flash to photography hone hi wala hai, so of course I don't want to take chance and look like a ghost. So this is something I cannot live without. So yeah. Alright, the last gifting option is not like a materialistic thing. It's going to be like an experience for your loved ones, and this goes for everybody, not gender specific, which is having a spa day with your loved one. Now you can take your mom or your dad for a spa day, or your girlfriends, your boyfriends, whatever it is, your sister, brother. As I said, this is not gender specific. So I would recommend this particular spa or brand rather, which is Bodhi Thai Spa. I love their service. I have gone I think twice, and I think this is the best place to go to if you want good full body massages or spas. They have different options to choose from, and it's not that expensive as well. You can also go for like pedicure and manicures as well, but I think full body spa is something everybody needs. I mean, मैं सोच के ही मुझे अभी ऐसे feel हो रहा है कि अभी जाके मैं spa करा के आऊँ. I think everybody has body aches and like tight muscles and whatnot. So if you gift this to your loved one, they're definitely gonna love it, and you can just spend good time with them, because I don't think it's always about the materialistic materialistic things. It's something that you do for your loved ones. So if your mom or if your dad, they work for us 24/7, and if you want to gift them something and if you're not understanding उनके लिए क्या लिया जाए और अगर आप confused हो, then you can definitely do this for your parents. Alright you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment on what other videos you want me to do, and I'll see you in my next one.